Hi, my name is Karen Myrie from Intero Real Estate. I want to let you know how I can help you. I can help you with your home search. I can help you with your home buying needs or with your seller's needs. Please use the information that I have also on my webpage, which is www.karenmyrie.com. And there's a lot of good stuff there that'll help you to get started in real estate if that's what you want to do, or if you just want to know what the neighbor's house sold for next door, I can help you with that as well. I've been in the business now for 15 years. I'm a broker associate, again, with Intero Real Estate. I've worked all over the peninsula, across the Bay, San Francisco, and Santa Clara counties. I do whatever it takes to get my client what they want. I treat your money like a pit bull, and I promise you, I will give you more than just the extra mile. Thank you very much and have a great day.